This is the third drill press in the room. It's very similar to the other two. You're going to find the chuck key up here in the magnetic dish. You're going to have the depth stop here. All right, adjusting it this way, loosening it. You can loosen this and adjust the depth. This bit that we have in here right now is a countersink bit. All right, so it will put a beveled hole into the wood. You would never use this first. You would always use this after you've drilled your holes. And whenever you use this machine, you're also going to wear safety glasses.